What a glorious day. Today we're here to celebrate the joining of two families with Jeremy and Rebecca. It's no accident that all of you are here. You're all important to them in their individual lives and now their collective lives.
Dad.
Oh.
You gotta keep your shit together, Dad.
I'll keep it together.
It didn't take you too long to know where you belong. You got on the next train. Said it was too hard to walk away. Had to come back and see your face. No, I'll never leave you. You said there was something about that night. All the lights, they fall on your shoulders. Sun sets the city on fire behind you. Someday I'll be looking back when we're older, saying this night was golden, and you are so beautiful to me.
I can't believe this day is finally here. And while it may sound cliche, I'm so excited to be marrying my best friend. I promise to never forget this is a once-in-a-lifetime love, and I will choose you, choose us, every moment from now until forever.
I vow to continue to give you my full self, to sing and dance with you around the house, to be your biggest cheerleader in everything that you take on in life. And finally, I vow to love every piece of you exactly as you are, forever and for always.
By the power vested in me by the great state of North Carolina, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss my niece. Please stand.
They fall on your shoulders. Sun sets the city on fire behind you. I see it all the same way. Now we're older. Today was golden. You are so beautiful. Today was golden. You are so beautiful. Today was golden. You are so beautiful to me.
Oh, so pretty.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and pleasure to welcome for the second time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Jeremy and Becca Jeremy.
Growing up as Jeremy's younger brother, it comes with its ups and downs. And we got off to a great start though. When Jeremy and I were young, we were inseparable. As I got older though, it became more difficult to be Jeremy's brother. On my first day of high school, I was violently slammed into a locker because an upperclassman thought I was my brother.
My name is Caitlin, I'm Becca's little sister, and I had the incredible honor of standing by her side today as her maid of honor. Looking back, I mainly just remember laughing. We were always laughing. We're still always laughing. On more than one occasion, Becca has made me laugh so hard that I've peed my pants. I'm not kidding. So you may face obstacles, but I hope you never stop laughing together. Cheers to many years of love, adventure, and laughter.
Marrying your best friend is a strong foundation for a solid and long-lasting marriage.
To Becca, to Jeremy, to love, and to a much larger family. Cheers, everybody.